Hello student, welcome back to KG classes. Today we shall teach you supplementary section CBSE book Vista, the third level by Jack Finney. Question: who is the author of the third level? Answer: Jack Finney. Question: what was Jack's full name? Answer: Walter Braden Jack Finney. Question: why was the author renamed? Answer: to honor his mother. Question: what was the author's best known works? Answer: science fiction and thrillers. Question: what is the meaning of waking dream with wish fulfillment? Answer: a pleasant wish that makes one forgets the present. Question: what is the theme of the lesson? Answer: human tendency of escapism because of the harsh realities of the present. Question: how does the story begin? Answer: in a serious manner. Question: what does the third level signify? Answer: a human tendency to escape from the harsh realities of the present to past happy times. Question: what is waking dream wish fulfillment according to the psychiatrist in the lesson? Answer: Charles' finding of a third level at Grand Central Station and realization of his wish to visit Galesburg, Illinois. Question: who was Charles' wife? Answer: Louisa. Question: I just wanted to get home to. Answer: Louisa. I talked to a friend of mine among others. Answer: psychiatrist. Question: what is Sam's letter to Charlie's represents? Answer: a blend of reality with fantasy. Question: of course the money was old style bills half again as big as the answer money. Question: I found out that Sam bought $800 worth of old style. Answer: currency. Question: what is Sam's letter testimony to in the lesson proving? Answer: Charlie's tendency of escapism from the realities. Question: in what way do we try to overcome the insecurities of the present harsh times? Answer: all of the above. Question: what is the significance of 1894 in the lesson? Question: representing a peaceful, romantic living time. Question: who was Sam in the third level? Answer: a psychiatrist and a friend of Charlie. Question: why did Charlie visit Sam? Answer: to consult the incident of third level incident at Grand Central Station. Question: does the third level really exist at Grand Station? Answer: no, there were only two levels at the station. Question: the narrator happened to be on the third level on. Answer: June 11, 1894. Question: what unusual thing does the narrator see at the Grand Central Station? Answer: third level. Question: why was the narrator seeing this third level? Answer: as a result of stress and anxiety in his mind. Question: what does the psychiatrist explain to Charlie? Answer: that it was the result of stress and anxiety of his mind. Question: how did Charlie reach the third level? Answer: in his fantasy he takes a subway or a corridor faster than a bus. Question: what was the third level? Answer: an imaginary discovery of the narrator's mind. Question: what did Charlie see at the third level? Answer: all of the above. Question: why was Louisa, Charlie's wife, worried? Answer: knowing the incident of third level. Question: why does Charlie want to visit Galesburg? Answer: to escape from the troublesome world. Question. What does the Grand Central Station symbolize? Answer. The complicated world. Question. Why do you think the third level was an escape for Charlie? Answer. Because it existed only in his fantasy and not in reality. Answer. What is first day cover? Answer. A new stamp gets the postmark and date. Question. When a new stamp is issued, a stamp collector buys some and use them to mail envelopes to themselves on the answer very first day of the sales. Question. The stamp was 6 cent dull brown with a picture of answer President Garfield. Question. My $300 brought less than 100 in old style bills. Answer 2. Question. What do you understand by the first day cover the third label? Answer. Bought on the first day and posted to oneself. Question. How does the story interweave fantasy and reality? Answer. For Charlie's tendency to treat harsh reality with his imaginary third level. Question. What specific difference did Charlie notice at the third level of the central station? Answer. Everything was old styled and smaller in size.